but the side story mo no ni ari no dong ti affair ki ngat mo kana ba pat do ta ni wek pe doing ibit ka nywan no wi gwak la cho mai do ni kwede mama dong is really true ni me de bin white look at the about Dennis brand wek dong brand karabo wi ramo willo gwak ramo dok no mo kene chino ramo berbe twal ento Dennis kiniga mako matek chi kwanyo pala ukero pala ko ilangat ariet tian maro bangwen ka pala mo kene che ngure but report doctor mako kwa team test Victory Health Center mati Gulu mapia gutero i St Mary's Hospital le cho nyurni pala mau kelo rep maraj ma weko remo o e pala ma ke bago kidinge bad me ngurni dok po berno raj to ma kono beti erni go karo ke no peramo kelo ta peramo
ono bene kai kit padan dana kafi ono pe mi mo kero ngen mo achelo beti kara mo no meto nyo de mo on e chinga de when me town in mara for you to believe in a story no matter win both sides because when you only one side of the story you know that some pages missing and to that dante ni kombelata wa ndongo she's not there to give her own side of the story checking in emero mokotampe moktami no jimario titime when you overexcited pay moktami and then when you're too annoyed timbe pay moktami I think she moved on. Ingeo, we are watching one child one month. A woman will move on physically. And to ngendo do you are there from the heart.
By the time Madugu Buri
she's gone, like long gone. Taking them in a toxic relationship. Mangen my luo, abi neri, abi kwanyo kwonti yore, kaigwache yore. Kafi pitting at mom at the month that should break up. We put them on a wajibe, you make it mon gishoni. In the madam that you man, people make a lot of promises. They have a lot of hope. Like
I'm going to do these things. I'm going to do this.
Oh no, I'm breaking up. My money and make away long distance. And I'm right lawyer. I must say this. I'm sorry, not to all, but I think I send them money teach it till a quarter to all. One of them faithful. I am a lady. I know what it means to be a woman. If a woman cheats on you, or cheating, like not even to come back. Completely. So I believe this girl. Onodong tima tini and maybe gware anyi money kuye don't pay bal chapango papiere. Now even dugune gi loke she wanted not to spoil things just for them to talk and she moves on and the guy moves on. Pay bal chapa ubini. To me that was a good heart. Oh no. Kekena awa ni mono people react differently. So Kenyan we pay more like distance love. Please just leave it. Just chill. No machok mer ening.
Machok enema.
Ikari neno mere. Wadire we shall not get a better way of solving heartbreak.
Yes.
The best way enti mwange ni gina time pocha kai komi and it will not end with you.
If you cannot read a man or a woman, you're failing love.
La cho menen ke lokolo moy kan doing kerbe de pe kira kai we ko mana. Ni mo bu need you. I'm telling you.
Poiri ni armatin Julie Itame television kini armatin wadugu chen yub mapere dit karo duju yub meket mon kicho Itame television kam wakelu yidbu lok mapigi tege makwako dana rio la cho gidago gen mono giramo kwa nining studio metame Vibe Records atie ki Susan Diamond iket bakare duju nya Wilfred Coffee wabenyo ako lok mapere tek kini armatini wakwa nen ikinji mugmo time idie chabit manoti related kilokom ma ajuri itini
afoy coffee afoy to twal it's been a while
ayo
but afoy nini
afoy nini
yes
and of course Susan atamani kontin watem nano nyik lok mapigi tego maroma chel idie chabit eni waneno report maukaro ipapara kwana makwako lokum tele ikiet me beri ot machal la cho gidago kamenoni awubi mo miraket ni awubi mo manu foot pegiti engage ot machal la cho gidago chien chie o baga nyaka matiga winye kere ot niyo wai to ki pala tian ma pol ki ret maraj to twal igulu sidiga kany ma wanerom ket machalo pinge bale kwere Gulu ka eni mamon ma Paul they are trying to talk about it kidong cho mo kana bene they are trying to discuss ngo ki ko ma mi wero la chora mo kwanyo kar me kato chien kom dago no the degree or the magnitude of chui no o roma mene
Okay.
ena tam ne tin kong wa met wa nen. But before we come in kong a brief detail about ngomoti me
Sure.
wa nen chabet eni pilwak duju maluwa itame be television la mego mauno tie ka teach machalo police i kabera chel man na mokosi police station mati Metiana district eno bino kalima wubene i Gulu City ka kany ichiangwen eoni eno bino rwate kere nye arit akera namba me teach me mega machalo police tie aboro rio bungwen aboro adek dong chan eno time i utieno mechia dek ninde piari dek meduma ngwen ki library cell matie badege la IV division i Gulu City ka kany awi mauti mbale nye kinone Dennis Brian apire ma guri do lok me winye kingi pilwegi mwake mapol ni piari wa chele kome medwe man magali bari ki piari wa bichel ene ye akera o traveling me aki Metiana me bini Gulu karwate ki apira i Gulu City wa ginyam lok mbogo manok nok makwaro winyegi ikingi pilwegi mwaka mapol madong gurini chiku kwanyo kar gubero i Flamingo guest house mati Gulu City ka kany we akibok lok makwaro kita gwa kuno gira mete kwero nyogwa ko but report ba wano ye nyote wakama leng ni jeme mbogo mauno tie do ikingi the growing concern ayeni winye madino dong petie tutwal berchalo na fan dong mero gyeko chidong ariet kero bino katemo giving out chunye me wacho logada pinge polkar ma chaw la choge dago kenen dong communication petty frequently to 12 and sometime gwenye kinu kilok dong petty at the magnitude man bakeri yum chwin la chow dong chago very suspicious ne penyo ni ngoma tie chi erta wano mire binen ki kome weke setting out the matters mati kin gini report mo wano nyurni kiniga chago very tie matega dada piane no ki waji logada but the side story mo no ni ariet no dong ti affair ki ngat mo kena ba pat do ta wani wek pedoing ibit ka nywan no wi gwak la cho mai donyo kwede mama dong is really true ni mi de bin waji logada about Dennis Brand wek dong Brand karabo wi ramo willo gwak ramo dok no mo kene chino ramo berbe twal ento Dennis kiniga ma ko matek chi kwanyo pala ukero pala ko ilangat ariet tian maroba ngwen ka pala mo keno chie ngure but report doctor mako kwa team test Victory Health Center mati Gulu mapia gutero i St Mary's Hospital la cho nyurni pala mau kelo rep maraj ma weko remo o e pala ma ke bago ki dinge but me ngurne dok po berno raj to ma kono beti enni no gwa karo keno peramo kelo ta aswa West Police spokesperson David Ngomudong ngwai dong gitio gor niklok mo kene ki pala magino ka kama barati mani ki dong file gitika profiling wa kenan ket magwa karo kene koni ki bichako winyu pido kere ikom Dennis Bryan apire report pa police me makali bari o ki piari beach makwaro lok kom tele ot na chala chogi dago nyugwak lok me ma nyurne pi ngwaga libari o ki piari beach tiyo pasana pa tona rio ke por ki mwaka libari ki pieri wangwen no ti pasana pa rio tona dek manyuti uno gero dok ping mana ki pasana rio ikom dana ma giberu ki tele loko mai kingi beru aliba par ngwen ki pier biro wi dek men pi mwaka libari ki pieri wi ngwen ente mwaka libari ki pieri beach uberu aliba par rio mi dek ki pier bichel wi chel mano kerni ikingi ni mon maguden chan maraj ichingcho lupe ki lok me affair uberu mi rio ki abor makwogo ruenyogo ilok machan meno uber piar bangwan wi adek amin piar bangwan wi ario mano ki bago ginyo gwoki nego gi ko gwoki tim go maraj ma to ta ichawa eni chot cho ber piar bor wi abangwan cho bendon cheng chan ba ching mon mano bi ngi eno so ikom cho mano gen gu dano chan maraj ching mon piar wi bero gen no gu no rep maraj dada pole the growing concern ti kin wobe kia nyer mamaka go chaka para ngwen para dek cherkere malo o keri kine ka piera rio we a beach do get ping manyati that is stage mama beruliat ye ma pedong trere to me anena chala wachini we should be able at least to try to digest these things in the angle ma ki come Susan matwero chung machalo gore ma waran wani ka gwo winye won ki anya mo won ki la chomo chidong ka ket kenyu bu berutie. What are the steps menon at least is appropriate, is really good ne ka mer don ket ki no wani ki
what is the best way moving on
we ko suwo medic ngato kene nyo we ko kavio medic ngato kene we pokel korito itawni step mauno arieta kera kwanyo me bino ka setting the matters of we don't poke kin again ki Dennis. Was it the right way when you were kere kana no wange go out kuma don no coming back to Gulu medic ki kuno kila cho mo kene matieni ene ben no wrong kauno ni ada.
Well, for you at Tamibe Television, you picking Mon Kichonya Susan Diamond Kafa for you. In your Lawo American and a video clip name, it's just something so good to talk about.
Yes.
Taking Marachi Tual Kamenoni Kadiben no Ninyane Chio Che Commontiana Wupini, the foot still very rich. What am I trying to say? Anti watching mono. Can I report a much allocated Dikakate? Any food we still have a lot to do.
Yeah.
Because Kawania could be report of police. Ono bene kai kit padan dana kafi. Ono pe mi ademo kero nged mo achilu bete kara mono meto nyodo mo on. Ichinga de when me town in mara. It's unfortunate. I need to make it any kumbete. But then I met a chak loha kulong ni mono. Ma po la kar beri kendario kafi. And then ma beri kendario ni. Kitanga to money yankede la water tipapan. I've been hearing about this thing not until when I landed on the full details. Kidon can make karge kumbetini.
Yeah.
And wanena kumbeti dong latiana buno poro itachik. Now, la penga na wate penga kumbeti ni mono. Kao no ni ada because we don't know what they discussed by the way.
Yeah.
For you to believe in a story, no matter both sides, because when you only one side of the story, you know that some pages missing. But again, biliki dear makitikede, they will really see what he and all that. And to that, she's not there to give her own side of the story.
Yeah.
But in the first place, I want to really condemn this act. By the way, may know ni mono or team already and mo can ma political team can pain be. Okay? Chalo down wa balum. Now there are two things I want to get down coffee. And in the mono. Checking in emero mo ko tampe mo tami no jimario titime. When you overexcited pay mo tami.
Yeah.
And then when you're too annoyed timbe pay mo tami. I saw the clip of this young man Mati, manu kitika interrogating like mat futke la larki bot dan ching dan futke police.
Yes.
La pen mo make bera penye jal you know they never dance and all that. O wayne ko bebe no be mirna, you understand? But already roti ma kumbetini in the porate chair. Kafe mi ara watching mono lokom gen man ko wayne mono break up. Tie gen mali to twal. But adani ti ni mono. Akainen anyati money. Go hakima waike ni mono tele mo entiken wo. The best way ever is to sit down on one table with someone.
Yes.
Like to talk things out cafe.
So is it
and to be very careful
that way ma nyero kwanyo o mala megino kwanyo to sit down? That is the best way.
Entirely parang wajira cho kwiji awni beya kwiji because onodongu okwane like how was the emotion. Pian what I understand anymore. Latina nyahani, I think she moved on. Ingeo, we are watching one child one month. A woman will move on physically. And to ngendo from the heart.
By the time Madugu Bori,
she's gone, like long gone.
Yeah.
So because she loved you, she shared some memories with you. Tamani will tell you certain things. Like I think in this case, to make any. Now, get married to any mono. It is actually very hard. Ki Latin la cho. Unyo kero. In fact, kitumba no way that it is very easy. Kenyira to accept heartbreak than a wobe. I don't know. Is it because we are anyira caregiver? because nok to 12 kenen anyama gware la cho moto chunyan all that teacher gware kwanyu panga kwanyu palan all that instead mukene work do mege ko mukene do me bi cha me to la cho mukene instantly just to annoy you.
Yes.
Like man, just to get back at your face. But in the mono cafe ma info pe kwanyu kani, it's not bad to talk to somebody. First read the person. I believe ni mono malatiana wubi ni eni tinong oway ikete mutime en la wumaja eni. They talked and apanyaka ne kimitiana me bieno kind was to talk. And you know what beats my understanding and nana watching mono, it is really hard to analyze one side of the story because kwachijo ene beru they talked and then later anyaka no go chimka wubini.
Yes.
So mo go chim no dugi. I think they also talked. I think it was about the issue of phone.
Yes.
Piano chela wino will chimere. So wino miragam chimeo. As I understood the story, like chidong manager wino gam chime anyako chakano ulieto. Chwain uchakadang la ku. You understand? So I think the guy overreacted and all that. So kafiti ni mono teki nen ngati money. Futie in that state many ngame chuindi ka chui and all that. I always tell women ni mono. Actually, let also this go out to men. Taking men in a toxic relationship. Mangen my luo, abi neri, abi kwani kwonti yore, kay guache. Because it has never happened. May no ngati mo be why. Just literally read the person. Coffee pitting ngati mo mami at the month they should break up. We put them on a wajibe, you make it mon gishoni. In the madam da imani ba. People make a lot of promises. They have a lot of hope. Like
I'm going to do these things. I'm going to do this.
Breaking up.
Yeah.
But it's so unfortunate. Tieni mono. Kai nen ma money and make away long distance. And right lawyer. I must say this. I'm sorry. Not to all, but I think I percent the money teach it la quarter to one of the faithful. Man and me when you mono food me when your boyfriend girlfriend.
Yes.
Take a 12 for someone to be faithful. Take coffee.
So
I think this is a very reason why
so we're trying to figure out name actually
it's
from the steps of Endonye police pian before because when you police PC ni kitiu ke karme kui kini then mo kan tie make yer oge ci donc medo gi training ma anti kin dan mo no giti mitiana to continue with that training
by the way.
Now there's a concern I just want to try to figure out any mangara chit berka mabo. That's a pure challenge.
Take more.
Why is it too hard for us to build a trust?
Because you don't know what the person is doing there. Now, Kafi, trust me anymore. Anyagani no kemi permit ni work bana wubini. But because of distance and all that, maybe in your market for jaka and all that. So maybe she got like, let me ask call it a better offer. Like no more. More no pretty serious here. But when I watch in the morning, I am a lady. I know what it means to be a woman. If a woman cheats on you, or cheating, like not even to come back. Completely. So I believe this girl, onodong tima, and maybe guare and money don't pay bal chapango, papiere. Now, even she wanted not to spoil things, just for them to talk, and she moves on, and the guy moves on. To me, that was a good heart. Oh no, people react differently because maybe the guy nature or maybe Jim may willow and all that. Okay, Jim may willow here. So, Pebere you are to 12. Kenyan gonna get any team, coffee. I mean, up to tomorrow.
Yes.
We shall never get a better way of moving on.
Now, Susan, I'm trying to bring
the best part of me, Anyahano team was just to go like silent.
And get manate if not going silent.
Ignore her, exactly.
Is it possible to settle matters through phone?
Yeah, you can.
What values? Because wakat ne kan rati nyakani. Gut yo lokko kini genki Dennis Brian appear Kichimano and Timmy Tiana Kuno. Ni andong ba I'm going to move on with another guy
like
and
ABC. This girl loved
not coming.
No matter who be in. She left and I think they shared a lot of things. Much as of Pekiti Berafidi. Her coming was just like let's just settle.
Even if you look at him food still near Ariet no Maro Brian.
Maro, and that's the reason why
More
she
than
came.
Bino ka facing one on one.
Ono Maro Brian. That's what I can say. Eto tini mono. Like I told you, Latina nyaha me nendo mokotame. Like Mengako from Mama Matiene. She's done with this one. Kadiba Dahmati Beruke or Dahame and Darty Mokotam Anna Bichako Cafe. Come on down to me again, Dong Uchaha the John.
And they can now don't take a man any. No man now don't keep twin where a woman.
And to make it worse, Nimono, the moment in Endong Daho started moving on, gradually she's losing it. She's losing the love. So you know anymore this whole thing comes back to a man. Like it will hit you so hard. Let's say in any relationship, ngan moko moving on. No, you don't keep dealing with the heartbreak. But in market to work at one.
So this is a concern. Mamir kong ma chel mi wangeni. She had bought voodoo mukena magitiga lubua ni. Jaka ine nero girlfriend mo do chakoti mo may la kirma makirpanya winge. Wego dua bija nge. And I don't think a pino any dong mare just to confirm.
I be daring mer, but we go better there. Yes.
Now, Susan, I will come a time nano. We are top Patina Yakani, Kitele King again, boyfriend should give us a lesson. But Lutina will Matino, Kenya, Matina, Magati, Ma.
Actually,
came down cat, Morgan American again. Don't be cat needing, Pianke poor, Kiyam Chamba. No kaki be cat, let me say, I be cat girlfriend, ma. Pedagateur emotion, and a pedagateur can nigga to that level, may Luane.
It goes back to your nana, what
way should we step Melomira Kwan? Kago, Kaloko chim bene can work well. Should we use chim? Atawani bene to add on that. Kawan wa donye ma waneki. We should not allow love to umuwangwa to the extent that we cannot read a man.
My dear, love is issues of the heart.
Anka reading in on my bewe. Mangeni, this is the behavior of Susan. Susan Deg gonna get any. Susan Mer gonna get Susan Kejo command. Susan Dagren. Susan Liete Kit any. Obekonya to love you to that extent. Mangeni can near more gimo betima. We are going to break up. No angeni. I should not tamper with this angle.
Kevin Kong. Have you ever had a statement? If I cannot have you, then no one will. Kapa dong I am berukidi, nyampo berukidi. I'm getting more time in here. Yan, have you ever had?
Inge kena yeki berukidi, ngarma pardon pe.
Kadong page no me da check lock komio. So, you team mama kanema. Can I write my mom me pe magdana?
So that we level madong ngarma we kapedong ian no ngarma pe. No, itamen eno ngamo.
That's a statement that love hits so different.
Ikineka kuno ma no food jimiliate ngamo team to bring that word.
No food matter though.
Then get my well ma or to the extent me to vow me kurikuanga kire no gima me robetie. No.
Actually, dano mar ma papat and the magnitude of man by the way. Joke me magemar is in. To joke be way pegeman ma ke chwingi. Very adam. Adono ge gware oboge. So there's money may no anymore. Gemo the marriage you wing and the person not take like it's giving his whole, the energy, maybe even the finance and everything, the time. So be better paying time.
I think the problem is kaya nan ngarmo we investing a lot into that love.
Because I tell you away. Don't go up and pay taking statement when I tell you how to Jimmy.
Yes, Jimmy, my way to gitana, something like screen king. When you burn a statement, I've invested a lot. So the issue is about the investment.
All I want to say,
the time, the money, resources, everything.
And then chalo, time now be better can tell a kind cafe. If you have to read this, I think the investment could be done.
Time matters a lot, by the way. And Bora,
no, let's rate it.
It's a simple thing.
Let's rate the energy, the time, and then the resources like chene. Okay, tem mina machelu ina madere. Me ma invaluing lawyer. Ima make nen money. You break up ngemo nchubu chwe atuni.
And Gibora Genma, I actually value so much. It's number one is time. When you waste my time. In fact, I feel like I should be like that man, but not to that extent. But really time, it matters a lot to me. And Kono, to the extent, man, I don't be ma within a 1 month. And I can use my resources in terms of channel, can pull up the money, give you things, buy you things within a month. And there's nothing wrong. And to money, we have spent almost good numbers of years. 3 years, actually, 4 years. For 3 years.
The thing is, I think the main issue in this matter is the distance. I don't think we can join the.
So what can we really do? What can we really do, Susan, to make a distance love? Mama beru kama bo manungarmatiwa laganam ngarmati
I always stop people. Well. Listen, I always stop people name. We distance better. Because I know what it is really. I really know what it is. Pierre money. This thing is just brain child we pay. Man ko benga na timongo. Like ko benga. My goodness. So Kenyan we pay more like distance love. Please just leave it. Just chill. No machok mer ening.
Machok ene ma.
Ikari neno mere.
Kinga gini.
To save a lot. I'm telling you. That is one. And then secondly, Polakara, in any relationship, any communication matters so much.
Yeah.
Look man and look can break things and look can mend things. So kainen ge money tie nene loha like anywhere nana way mo step man latia na nyaka pa no perach ke ken dong ibi loko nini inyo wana nyero take say la money ben kenyo because like I told you ni mono could be she had moved on.
Yes.
Like piano no ngini after all I have a backup, you understand? And then she's speaking but Peter Mka will tell me
yes.
So to me, because I've wasted my time and that the things we talked about is also know that you'll be like, what are you talking about? Is it me ma? I better kind of know that you suddenly change. If I can't, nobody will have you. You understand?
Yeah.
It's just a very sad statement. I will make it work with the place we really need to learn.
Yeah.
And then we are born in money. What you can watch in the morning? Yeah. Because this is a matter of the heart.
Yeah.
I tell people.
Kilo
American now age bracket.
Actually, I just wanted to say this thing. Beach. 25. Are they so much into love? And yet love are supposed to start at the age of 18.
The hormones that work, my dear, the world has changed. And if you don't know, stage my mom yet lawyer.
Maliet by in that age bracket, Maliet, my
so that is what is happening. Like I watch in the we shall not get a better way of moving on. Like a money don't getting a money go team at some point a bit away. Yet a caribou team again in back. My believe the money I can be in bed core. Mano guarake one chino luba you be core. You get away happy and foot still be pony. Appear at some point a baby mono beduti, you understand?
Yes.
But it's really very hard for someone to move on. What dire we shall not get a better way of solving heartbreak.
Yes.
The best way anything we again a team and put your high komi and it will not end with you. Cafe. Pebenobo tumki ikomi. So I like in me to walk in the morning. One, can you pay long distance relationship? I timbe we home. That is one. Secondly, learn how to communicate and read the person you're in love with.
Reading the person.
Read that person
is the
thoroughly.
key I wanted to say.
Read the person.
If you cannot read a man or a woman, you're failing love.
Cho men and ke lokolo mo can doing can be the pay ke wake women now. No more will need you. I'm telling you. I think I feel you.
More brain
and to make it worse,
sometime. You more can be American vuba, penny get a curching about American vuba. Pian mon can be cape vuba.
You don't make it a caravan, cat money, man, no phone you any. We don't money, money. It's really sad. It's really sad, yeah. Yeah.
Otherwise, of course. Wamero tell me comment section paying me television. You can make it monkey chop. Machalo Vuru. Magiti rew ma liet me pore ma ikingi when piu liet yo ma teka da ma you want to settle the issues ma tikinwu what are the steps ma be ma pekelu to ma pekelu on paremo for example kit ma chalo mano ti me kin Arita Kera ka chil ke pere Dennis Brand ma oweta to you pirikeni itamne kaunu in nebe kwanya yo ma mene ma pat ki tingu para whether you have invested your time, you have invested your money, resources, You have invested a lot of things. And ikin kuni which is ikin deke many madong fall number 1 makai itiu kere ikoma don't wero inocha de value a lot of everything in your life. Is it time? Is it resources? Is it money? What is that one exactly? Asu?
Yes.
What will?
Well, ana foyo babi ngake loka amira wachini mono ngianga me porke de ma. No matter how much that person has in the bank account, ngianga me porke de ma. And then pola karbe study this person, read the person. Kagwa ngake tini and all that. There and how do we handle issues?
Yes.
Na kaya ngo gumoti kenwa. After how many days we settle? Anyway, pay attention to time.
Yes.
Akira mbele mienene at least kage money tieba, learn to speak and then know the time to speak and where to speak.
Exactly.
That is ngomara watch nekitumbara cafe.
Tambe television watwega kany iyup make it mon gicho wakworo tame wanywa ka chil kwidi i comment section ping. Bye bye.